Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix geometry dash crashing on iPhone in iOS 17 update. There is a big section of iOS 17 device users dealing with the crashing issue of geometry dash on their devices. This issue was first seen with the iOS 15 version, as before that there was no such report of the geometry dash crashing. So today in this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, our simple step is restart your device. Restarting the device can fix minor bugs as well as the issue in geometry dash crashing bugs. For doing this, first you have to go to your settings, then go back, then go to general, then tap on shutdown, shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you are still facing the crashing issue in geometry dash, then try solution number 2. Reopen Geometry Dash. The Geometry Dash game, as is crashed, must be facing some issues with the background process. Starting the game should make the game work properly again. For doing this, simply open the game, then reopen, then close it and try to reopen it and see if the crashing bug is solved or not. If it's not, then try solution number 3. Reinstall Geometry Dash. You can also try to reinstall the Geometry Dash app on your iOS device. Simply delete it from here and then reinstall the Geometry Dash app. After applying this all method and you are still facing the same issue again and again and your Geometry Dash game is crashing on your iPhone, then try last solution. Reset all settings. For doing this, first you have to go to your settings and scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, sorry, go back, again scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.